Hello, my name is Debbie. I'm the guest service coordinator for Sun Outdoors Canyonlands Gateway. Thank you for your reservation. I'd love to show you around. What makes Sun Outdoors Canyonlands Gateway unique to our area is that we have access to about 14 different trails for UTVs, motorcycles, dirt bikes. Most people who stay here at our campground are staying here because of the location to all those trails. So a lot of people come here because of our location. We're 10 miles north of Moab. We're 6 miles north of Arches National Park, 24 minutes away from Utah State Dead Horse Point, and Canyonlands National Park, which is Island in the Sky, which is 34 minutes from us. We do have a swimming pool and a splash pad for kids. We have 2 comfort stations, which are the restrooms and shower houses, plus our laundry that's on site. We have access to a fueling station, which is open 24 hours. Our resort also offers stays in deluxe cabins and casitas, basic cabins, and we have a bunch of different RV sites from 25 foot all the way up to 110 feet. And they're all full hookup pull-throughs. Guests here can come into the reservation area and we can help them with questions on access to trails. Check out our Sun Outdoors app, which is available for download, so you can book your next stay and get ready for your next adventure. We look forward to welcoming you to Sun Outdoors Canyonlands Gateway, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.